Hey there, wing aficionados. Today we're diving into the world of buffalo wings with some expert level techniques that'll take your next batch from ordinary to extraordinary. To start, let's gather our ingredients. A pound of chicken wings, 1/2 cup of high quality hot sauce, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, and for that extra kick, a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Season the wings generously with salt and freshly cracked black pepper. You know the drill. For that perfect crispy texture, bake the wings in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 Celsius, for 25 to 30 minutes, or until golden brown. Alternatively, deep fry those bad boys for about 10 to 12 minutes in oil heated to 375 degrees for 190 degrees. Either method ensures superb crunch. Now onto the sauce. In a pan, melt the butter over medium heat and whisk in the hot sauce. Sprinkle in cayenne for the ultimate heat blend. Once the wings are ready, toss them in the glorious sauce you've created. Serve with crisp celery sticks and a side of blue cheese dressing. Pure gourmet bliss. Taste test time. If you loved this recipe, be sure to hit that like button, comment your variations, and subscribe for more culinary adventures. Catch you next time. Enjoy your wings and happy cooking.